this video, I'm going to give you a general overview of the bibliography function in NoodletTools. So before I get started with the source types here, I just want to show you this nifty little tool, this analysis button. Once you have some sources added, you can click on this and you can easily see the types of sources that are in your bibliography and how many you have of each, which is nice, especially if your teacher is requiring you to use a certain number of each type of source. And here are the list of the different types of sources that you can cite in NoodletTools. Now this is a very extensive list because I used the advanced settings when I created this project. It sometimes will be tricky to figure out which of these you should use, so feel free to come ask me questions if you're not quite sure. Most of the time you're going to be up here in the commonly cited section. And I do want to just show you, so if I click on journal, this is a type of source. Now when I get to this page, I can actually change how I'm accessing the journal. So if I'm looking at a journal in print, which is not very common these days, I can keep it on print. If I'm accessing it on a website, I can use website. If it's a database, I can use database. So this is the source type, and down here you can change this to show how you're accessing the source. And you're able to do this for almost every kind of source. So if I'm reading an interview, did I find that interview in a database? Is it on a website? Is it in print? So there is more flexibility here in terms of how you're accessing the source beyond what the list says.